So what do you think the main problem here is? The main problem here is not the top line. Okay, top line we have dropped by 0.61, but then we have dropped the EBITDA by a significant margin. And when the EBITDA drops, it's the variance is coming from the OPEX expenses, operating expenses, right? The operating expense is driving the variance. And our analysis and our supporting analysis should clearly explain what is my operating expense to revenue in 1H and what is my operating expense to revenue in 2H. So if that becomes clear, then you know if that's clear, then the entire analysis actually explains okay why the EBITDA is dropping. So let us first find out what is the operating expense to revenue for 1H. So what I'm going to do is I want to divide the uh, the operating expense by my revenue so that I get the percentage. So how do I do that? So let us do this. I'm going to calculate what is my 1H OPEX to 1H revenue. So let's say OPEX to revenue 1H, and I'm going to divide OPEX 1H by revenue 1H, comma 0.